10 robots automating the restaurant industry. From cocktail making to burger flipping, many food businesses are beginning to find the advantages of using robots to enhance their productivity. In today's video, we'll be reviewing 10 of the latest innovations and robots for the F&B industry that will aid in automating your business and take it to the next level. Sally by Chowbotics, salad-making robot. Recently obtained by delivery startup DoorDash, Sally is a salad-making robot, mixing up to 8 fresh and wholesome ingredients, from vegetables to salmon, into a recyclable bowl in just 90 seconds. The robot features a larger tablet display, a remarkable new user interface, wheels for enhanced mobility, and ameliorated servicing features that reduce operator refill and cleaning time. Along with giving out a quick and fun experience for customers, Sally also assists fast food chains to expand their menu and add salads and healthier choices without hiring more staff or altering anything in their kitchen. Sally serves customizable salads, yogurt bowls, grain bowls, and snacks employing sophisticated robotics and algorithms to dispense accurate portions of hundreds of different ingredients. Cecilia, interactive robot bartender. Suppose if you could enhance your drinks menu with premium cocktails mixed automatically by a friendly and delightful bartender. Think no more. Cecilia is an intelligent interactive bartender that can be placed almost anywhere, and it can service mixed drinks in less than 30 seconds and provide customers guidance about the menu, employing AI and speech recognition. This robotic bartending unit has a small footprint and could be effortlessly installed and used as the main or additional bartender in hotels, casinos, and cruise ships. In addition to automated drink pouring, Cecilia boasts chatbot functionality to have a conversation with a customer. Cecilia seems something out of Vegas. The machine features a big screen with a CGI female bartender. Picnic, automated pizza maker. Everybody loves pizza. That's a factual statement, like stating that the sun sets down on the west, or that the Picnic pizza system will make pizza making a whole lot easier. The whole process can be automated in this modular and customizable system, initiating with spreading the sauce, topping it with cheese, then adding pepperoni and 3 more ingredients and baking the pizza. This robot can make hundreds of pizzas per hour with just one operator, allowing the rest of the staff to be engaged with the rest of the food. Not that you need any when pizza is on the menu. The startup recently raised $16.3 million and has plans to introduce its robot in schools, stadiums, and hospitals. The Mini Bakery, automated loaf maker. The Mini Bakery, created and designed by Wilkinson Baking Company, is an entire automated system for baking bread. It does all the work like mixing, shaping, proofing, and baking, allowing bread to be retailed hot and fresh, straight to the customers, just like a vending machine. Mini Bakery can create 10 loaves per hour, saving ingredients and transportation expenses and donating water to Africa for every loaf sold. Although the system was built for supermarkets, we don't see any reason why it couldn't be utilized in restaurants or hotel kitchens. After baking for the day, the Mini Bakery will require to be washed and to do an auto cleaning cycle to clean out the mixing pot. An employee is still vital to wipe down surfaces, but the auto cleaning cycle performs most of the work, saving employees time and energy. Miso Robotics, robotic kitchen for fast food chains. The company behind Flippy, one of the most famous robotic kitchen assistants in the industry, that can flip burgers and make fries, leaving the human employees to manage less dangerous and greasy chores. The robot exists to make restaurants safer, easier, and friendlier. The system includes Miso Analytics platform, which gives deep insights and enhances food quality with cooking promptly as defined. Among the company's clients are Cali Burger and White Castle, where it flips over 10,000 burgers and fries and more than 12,000 baskets every month. Chipotle Mexican Grill collaborated with Miso Robotics to modify the Chippy robot, which makes and seasons Chipotle's chips with salt and fresh lime juice. The robot is trained to recreate the precise recipe using artificial intelligence. Kitchen Robotics, robotic dark kitchen. The startup was founded in 2018. Invented Bistro, a robot built for dark kitchens. The dark kitchen, also named as ghost kitchens and virtual kitchens, is a kitchen space allocated exclusively to deliver-only restaurants, a trend that has seen a meteoric advance since the global pandemic began in 2020. Bistro can be modified to automatically make any type of dish, cook about 45 dishes per hour, collect analytics, and fully combined with Quizmo, the company's online restaurant, and dark kitchen management. It captures human skills in motion. The robot kitchen can get ingredients from the smart fridge, adjust hob temperature, utilize the sink to fill pans, and pour, mix, and plate up just as a human cook would. The robot even cleans up after itself, without objection. The robot integrates with all major delivery service providers and matches their user delivery takeaway market strategy. Its cloud-based software counterpart also provides dish analytics, personalization, customization, and supply management. TrueBird, truly automated microcafe. While there are several coffee-making robots and old-school vending machines, TrueBird is looking to introduce something new to the table. The company collaborated with craft breweries in New York City to provide customers high-quality coffee at a reasonable price, autonomously made by a 20-square-foot kiosk that presents the cup using 3 little magnets. While TrueBird's main business model is to open many of automatically operated coffee shops in public areas across the country, we can see no reason why you shouldn't introduce one in your hotel or airport lounge. As an automated cafe with a considerably smaller footprint, it's able to save on the most significant expenses of running a traditional coffee shop. Smile Robotics, plates collecting robot. Does it seem daunting when you're done eating and you have to clean up and pick up the plates? Accuracy by Japanese company Smile Robotics is an autonomous robot for serving and gathering dishes in restaurants, clinics, nursing homes, hotels, and more. The robot moves automatically between tables, picking up trays with its robotic arm and escorting them back to the kitchen. This is a fully self-driving robot. In other words, it doesn't need your ceiling or floor markers to look and navigate around a restaurant. It can carry many trays, and the hands of the robotic arm can be swapped out to either collect or present items. Solato Gelato Maker. If you love ice cream, this is ideal for you. Based in Israel and Canada, this startup has created Solato, which seems like an espresso machine for ice cream, leading the gelato-making evolution with the smoothest, creamiest gelato made fresh in a moment. This incredible device builds authentic artisan gelato, fruit sorbets, frozen yogurt, and iced coffee employing biodegradable capsules, which can also be utilized as the serving bowl. Solato is perfect for small cafes and restaurants looking to enhance their menu with fresh ice cream without squandering valuable space and money. Milkit, milk on tap. Another amazing innovation is Milkit, a patented milk tap solution that preserves time, energy, and money. With its incredible milk bag, the Milkit device pours exact amounts of milk, saves up to 4 seconds per coffee cup, and removes the need for storing milk bags. In fact, this solution that you didn't even think was necessitated until you started your own restaurant is already being employed by several Israeli restaurants and hotels, as well as Starbucks in Germany.